Hi, Nicholas. Thanks for your question. And I'm just bringing this screen up here so that I could see it. Hey, man, I'm watching your training for Golang. I purchased it through Stack Skills. I just wanted to ask you something, if you don't mind. I'm a first-time programmer. I've yet to learn JavaScript or Python, which I also purchased. I figured I would start with more simplified coding, and I understand it pretty well. I'm about 27% of the way through, but some of the things are yet to be clear to me. The question I have is, during it, will you be showing how to start writing code from scratch? When you go to write a program, how do you do it from the beginning? So, I think I do talk about this in that course, and the course on Stack Skills is the same one on Udemy. It's the Learn to Code Go course. I have a new Learn to Code Go course, and that new Learn to Code Go course is here at Greater Commons. And eventually I'll have that out on Udemy and other places also. But Greater Commons is a website that was built using Go. And I'm just checking to see if my VPN's on, because that's loading super slow. Come on, baby. And so Greater Commons was built using Go, and myself and some friends built it. There we go. And so this course here is the newest and most recent version. So I don't remember if in the course I created 2 years ago, if I talk about getting things up and running. But to write code, where do you start? You need an editor. And some people are really hardcore and they just write, with like a notepad or just a text editor document. But Editor Integrated Development Environment is a piece of software that is created to help you write code. It has code completion and a bunch of other features to help you write code more effectively. I find myself a little bit tired. I'm not speaking 100%. And so this is an editor. And when I'm ready to write some code, I'm going to organize my code in a certain way, and you'll learn about code organization. But the first thing you do is, for me, I'm going to create a directory. And this one, we'll call it 60, and we'll call it simple. And I'm going to rename that 58, actually. So it's just sequential 58. And then I need a new Go file, so that I have a new Go file. And that new Go file will be like main. And then in here I need package main. And package main is always your entry point. And I'm sure I talked about this in the course. And then we have func main. And func main is the main function. And this is where, all of your code begins. Your program enters here. This is the entry point. And then when it leaves here, your program is done. And so that's kind of how you get it up and running and writing a simple program. And I'm not sure what else you're looking for, but you're definitely going to get a lot of experience in the course. And if you have more questions, just feel free to shoot a question back out to me. I hope this helps, and I'm totally excited for you. And learning to code is awesome. It's a skill that will serve you well. It's like having a superpower, because coders are the ones who are changing the world, some of the most significant changes. I think of people who know how to program as destroyers of industry. Destroyers of industries. Like, we destroy industries and we create whole new industries. And how many jobs can you say that about? That's pretty awesome. So continue on your path. It's wonderful. It's fun. It's stimulating. It's challenging and humbling. And it pays good financial rewards once you master the skill. And there's a lot of really cool people in the community. And so it's a wonderful occupation. And I'm excited and happy for you that you're moving into it. A lot of friendly, loving people too, so just reach out when you need help. And that's how we all learn and grow and become better, is working with each other and asking for help when we need it and offering help when we can.